Hi Donna. Hi Elmer. Okay, this is the same machine that you got. You can see right here, we're still set at about 12 o'clock. We've raised the die up. Right now we're set for number 300, and we're going to show you how to do this real quick. So, obviously the washer goes in the bottom, grommet goes in the top. We're going to start with your thickest material, okay? Good set, doesn't spin, which is what we're looking for. We're going to move on to, which by the way, if you can get this set, if you get this machine set up to do this consistently, the rest of your applications are all good. But we're going to do it anyway because, well, we like it. So here's your good set, nice and tight, doesn't spin. And the reason why we're starting off with the 300 grommet rather than a 250, which is this one here, if I can get the 300 to work, I can guarantee you the 250 will work. And that has to do with the size of the barrel. So load, whoops, yep, load. Here's your thinnest material. Again, nice and tight, that's what we're looking for. And then finally, here's your double thickness. We've already set a 250 in double, but what I want to do is I want to show you per Jeff that we're going to go through actually 4 layers here. And again, well, actually that one wasn't all that good. I might have to work on that one a little bit. That's the only failure so far, which we don't want that. Do we want to go through? Oh yeah, and here's the other deal. Here's your 250 dies, all right? They fit through there no problem. This is the finger guard that comes standard on this machine. I do have another finger guard which may be causing some of your problems. You can see the difference between the two, all right? So if you're trying to set a 300 grommet with the original finger guard on there, it's not gonna work. It physically cannot do it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna send you this larger finger guard. That'll protect you for both the 300 and the 250. Now if you want to switch them back and forth, you can. It doesn't hurt anything. If you want to be a little bit more safe, you use the smaller finger guard for the 250, and obviously you use the larger finger guard for the 300. Okay, that's the only way you're going to get that die to work with this machine. And of course we'll send that to you free of charge. Do we want to switch over to the 250, or have we made our point?
How do you adjust the pneumatic pressure?
Pneumatic. Again, you guys are set at 12 o'clock, right? If you want to up the pressure, pull up on the cap, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I actually don't think you're going to have to do that. With the exception of maybe that that one right there. Which, you know what, while we're doing it, let's give it another shot. Again, I can't stress this enough. Power off. You can leave the air hooked up. I don't care about that. When you're changing your finger guards, power off. Depress the pedal, brings this block down. Then you can go ahead and insert your finger guard. Don't tighten it up too much, okay? What I want you to do is bring it down. You can see it. Oh, I could easily get my finger in there. We don't want that. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop it down like that. I can't get my finger in. Alright. Then what we're going to do is we're going to dry cycle the machine, making sure that this is somewhat centered. It cycles, you're good to go. First thing I'm going to try and do, because we failed on this attempt, what we're going to do is we're going to raise that die just a little bit. Not much, just a bit. And of course the wrenches come with, I'm actually using just a regular old crescent wrench, but in your tool pack you actually got the wrenches that fit the nuts that come up underneath here. We've got our loaded. God, I hope I have enough room. Still not quite.
Yeah, they only may be doing a single.
But if they're going through a single layer, they should be good to go. I mean, do we have any more? Not really. But anyway, I don't think that you need to really increase your pressure. Okay, this is 1 megapascal, which means that at 12 o'clock we're just a touch above 12 o'clock. That is 72.5 psi, and as you can see, we have no issues. Single layer, that is an absolutely perfect set. We've got your double layer. Actually, that's more than double, that's 3. And again, perfect set, no spin. And here's your thick application. And you can see, nice roll. We're not buckled in on the sides. Nice and tight. So, I think you're good. I think maybe what the deal is this right here. If you're trying to set, once again, that die with that finger guard, it's not going to work. You can